भारद्वाज डिफेंस एकेडमी के ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप लोगों का स्वागत है। तो दोस्तों, हम आपसे एक स्टूडेंट को तो मिलवा चुके हैं जिन्होंने एनडीए का एग्ज़ाम क्लियर किया है। तो ये अब हमारे साथ दूसरे स्टूडेंट हैं। तो आप सुनिए इनसे कि क्या कुछ स्ट्रगल किया इन्होंने यहाँ तक आने के लिए, कैसे इन्होंने अपना एग्ज़ाम क्लियर किया, कितनी सेल्फ स्टडी को टाइम दिया, कितनी क्लासेज को टाइम दिया। तो आप इनसे सुन लीजिए। आप
First, I thank Madan sir and my faculty teachers here in the academy. I am very happy that I came to this academy, and Madan sir always motivated me time to time. And whenever I meet Madan sir, they always inspire me that you will be one day you will be an army officer. And these lines stuck to my mind, and I work on these lines and clear the NDA exams. If I talk about the faculty members here, the faculty members are very excellent, and they provide golden knowledge in every field, in their field, like our English teacher, our GK teacher, and for clearing NDA exam, we have the faculty in this academy, best faculty. And we all know that in today's world, all academies are giving their best, but the best point of this faculty is that of this academy is that in this academy the teachers here told us cracking exams in smart manner, and it is the result of this smart manner of the teachers that I and Dharmender has cleared the NDA exam. I thank again the academy and the teachers here for motivated me time to time. Thank you.
तो आपने सुन लिया होगा। तो दो शब्द हमारे मदन सर भी इनके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं। तो
Congratulations, my son Kirshan Kant, and I always hoping like you boys that you will do the things which are we are guiding you. You are going on that way. Definitely you will achieve that target. There is no doubt you will do your SSB also in future.
Thank you, sir. I want to tell you about the timetable here. Here I spent about 6 to 7 hours in the academy, and I got the maximum knowledge here. The knowledge they give is absolutely well to crack any defense exam. I thank my parents also for motivating me, and I thank also the ma'am Raj ma'am here that he treated us as a child, as their own child. Thank you.
Okay, beta, I congratulate you and your parents and all the faculties, teachers, and staff of office staff. Means all are blessed you that you will do the special one day, and you done this thing. And next target is SSB. As per my opinion, we will do that SSB. We will celebrate big celebrate. And his Kirshan Kant father mother running and means a school, senior secondary school, Marot Mother India, right?
Yes, sir. Mother India.
Mother India school is running, and they are doing best there, and that is very good school in Chuchakwas. So once more I congratulate you and do the best in your life, and this is blessing from me and our staff. Okay, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations once more. Thank you very much.